We have been in Kalama Conservancy vaccinating their dogs and cats, and it has been so enjoyable, it has been exciting, it has been challenging, it has been so fulfilling.
We have seen good response from the community in terms of bringing their dogs for vaccination. Cases of rabies, they are dropping since we started this campaign in 2019.
Communities are happy, we are happy with what we are doing, and everything is working very well.
We are so grateful to you, our partners, our donors, our supporters, the volunteers that have volunteered their time, the community for entrusting us their dogs and cats during this period. And we have vaccinated 690 dogs and cats. That is so exciting, and we are so grateful for your support. Ashe Oling.